Welcome to second part of the course ChatGPT and other awesome AI tools. In the first part, I had kept two sections for OpenAI Playground, but due to time and size constraint, I could not include them. So here we continue our discussion, and I am at present in this location platform.openai.com. There are three reasons of discussing about this website. Of course, we all know that OpenAI is the original creator of ChatGPT, and it was started off as open source project, which was later on uh, acquired by Microsoft. So obviously, this is more versatile than just ChatGPT. There are three reasons for exploring this. One, ChatGPT sometimes gives errors repeatedly. So at that time, one can use his time on this platform and practice the same things plus many additional things. Second, ChatGPT experiences big rush and their servers slow down for all users. So at that time also one can come here and use this platform. And third and the most important reason is that there are many more functionalities than ChatGPT. In fact, ChatGPT is just one specialized section of this particular general platform. Okay, let us see. At the top, we can see four tabs. Here we are in the overview tab. On the right side, I can see upgrade. So that means I am in the free plan that you can see here. There are payment methods and etc. And I can subscribe if I want. Currently, I don't want it. So leave it in free plan. There is this help which provides a chat support. Okay, right. And then there is this account uh, on clicking which I can see various details of my account, manage account, API keys of my account. I can even invite the team for collaborating working. I can see the pricing, I can see the terms and conditions. Because AI often has some certain legal implications. So, if you want to use it for business or profession, I advise to use this terms and condition. Okay, fine. Now, this particular uh, documentation. Documentation gives complete detailed technical discussion about all the capabilities of this platform, and it is very useful reference for someone who wants to go deep technically. If you want to just apply the platform for your profession, then a course like this is enough. This is API reference that is for somebody who wants to use this platform programmatically. That is who does not want to actually visit the website and click on various menus, but still wants to use various models created by AI in his code. Then, if he is a Python coder, he needs to install this library, OpenAI, by pip install. And if in Node.js, he has to install npm install like that. Okay. And then one has to have API keys for authentication. Fine. Now, this section examples is very, very important section. So we will discuss about this in detail in next lecture. Okay. I am coming to the playground, OpenAI playground, which was the original topic of our this part of course. Now, if you see on the right side at the top, there are certain presets. These presets are nothing but examples only, and if I click on any one, then it will lead me to that particular example. For example, if I click here, more examples in the preset, then I come to that section only. Fine. Now, these are some presets. I'm back to the playground tab, and certain presets you can see text to command, English to other language translation. So that means these are specialized application for that particular purpose only. Convert natural language to Python, then more examples in which Python to natural language, then time complexity, which is required by programmers to measure the performance of their algorithm, and many other things, ML and AI language model tutor, and so many different application. The sarcastic chatbot and restaurant review creator, so different interview question creator, study notes creator. So like that, there are different presets. Okay. Now here, if I see this part mode, then in this mode, there are the basic default mode is complete mode for chat, and other two modes are insert and edit. We will talk about them in some next lecture. Model. So currently this is the default model, and when I take a cursor over there, highlight, then I can see the details about the model, that it is the most capable model in GPT-3 and it is having strength and all that. But this is the model. Okay. Temperature. Now, these are some technical aspects. Temperature controls randomness. So, if you lower the temperature, results become deterministic. And at zero temperature, the results are totally deterministic and repetitive. So, you can go on clicking regenerate, and it will give you the same result, but that means it has lost its artificial intelligence in a way. It is not coming out with anything original or creative. It is just coming out with the result from its memory. Okay. This is the maximum length. Uh, it gives a maximum length in token, and one token is roughly equal to 4 characters of English. That is what they have given. Okay. Then here stop sequence. Then this part, top five frequency penalty, presence penalty, best of, and show probabilities. These are for someone who is interested in training the model, and who is a statistician or a data scientist. Then for him, these are important things, but I am just pointing out this so that one understands that there is no magic behind it. It is all pure math at the technical level. Okay, fine. Now, if I show something, yeah, this is just the ordinary window at the bottom of which it is written looking for ChatGPT. Then try here. If you click this, then you will go to that language model which we have already discussed. Here one example is given and the default is that language model only. Write a tagline for ice cream shop. Suppose you are launching a new ice cream shop and you want to come up with a catchy tagline. You can press submit and it comes out with a tagline, pull off with a scoop at our shop. I delete that and keep the same prompt, but again press submit. Pull off with our delicious ice cream. So it is a different tagline. Again, I press that tagline, submit. Test the sweetness of our handcrafted ice cream. So again, I want to point out that you should not have some wrong idea that this is a computer software or a program where you have somebody has written this tagline or this prompt and somebody has written its program its output or answer. No, this comes with different creative or original answers using its own intelligence, and this comes with uh, what you can say, each answer has the coming out of the answer has a certain probability. Okay, so it is a probabilistic machine learning type model, or AI is creating the answer by reviewing the corpus of information on which it is trained. Okay, now with this much, I can stop. In next lecture, we will talk about these examples part. Okay, thank you.